Good morning guys, in front of me is OnePlus Pad 2 Pro and let me show you how to allow unknown sources. So first of all, open the settings, then find and select security and privacy right here. Now go to more security and privacy settings and here you will notice installation sources. Just mark it. And now if you wish to activate some particular source, just locate it and then mark this indicator. Once you've got this pop-up information, just mark allowed and from now on it is active. Obviously you can do it for every other app, and once you want to switch it off, just unmark the indicator. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.